Hello, good evening, and welcome to Disney Springs for a dining review. I know, we've only done dining reviews in the parks
or
so
at
today,
resorts.
or at resorts, but now we're gonna expand to Disney Springs at Raglan Road.
Yeah, so stick around.
It's so cool in here. It's very much an Irish pub in the middle of Florida, but it takes you away from Florida and you really just feel very at home and at ease in the best way possible. And I can't wait to eat all of this food.
So our soup just came out, and today's soup is a leek. It's Colcannon soup, and it's a leek and cabbage, is what they said. It is excellent. I absolutely love this. It's a very good mix of like a clam chowder, but you get this slight hint of cabbage with it. This definitely tastes something like your grandmother from Ireland would boil in a pot on her stove in a really cold winter's night. It is really, really good, and it's a really big cup of soup for $6.50. Yeah, I would easily order this again. I would even order this as a full size for a dinner. If you get the chance to have this soup, go ahead and get it. You will not be disappointed. I love it.
So, I just finished my meal. I know we took pictures earlier. The picture will be there. Okay, it was delicious. So I had the pie in the sky. So that was like a chicken pot pie with a traditional house salad. The house salad was really a really great starter to a very full, rough meal. It had a vinaigrette-esque dressing to it, so it was kind of acidic, but it really balanced out the entire salad and had the all-out flavor. Sometimes when you have a dressing at a restaurant, it's kind of just on top and you have to do a lot of like flipping to get it all the way through. No, they had it all the way through already, and every bite you tasted the dressing. So that was really, in my opinion, great. Okay, so moving on to the pot pie. It was really great, your traditional pot pie. Something unique about it with the chicken, there was also a wild rice kind of vinaigrette and Mod Podge kind of risotto. That's the word. Thank you, Zach. A risotto. And it's really good. It just kind of had a very balanced flavor. Very homey. I loved it. 9 out of 10 in my opinion, this dish.
So they just cleared away our plate, but I'm gonna just talk about it real quick. So I had the bangers and mash. It's about $22, and it is one of the most Irish things you can get. It is mashed potatoes with a beef stew over the top of it with caramelized onions and 3 sausages. Bangers and mash. Very British and Irish. It was phenomenal. When a meal is that hearty, it's amazing on how well they can balance it here. You can definitely taste the Guinness. It was a Guinness-infused sausage. And I definitely knew that these sausages were really fresh, because when I picked one up, I took a bite out of it just to see how fresh it was, and I got a really crisp and loud snap from the sausage. So that casing, it was real and really, really fresh. I don't give anything a 10, but I want to give this a 10. It was amazing. If you're a fan of really good mashed potatoes and like beef stew, this is the perfect thing for you. Lots of salt. Just, I can't stop raving about it. It was so so good. And for $22, that was totally worth it because I'm full. Like, it's a lot of food that really fills you up. So, highly recommend it.
So fill to me the parting glass and drink a health whatever befalls. And gently rise and softly come. Good night and joy be to you all. Good night and joy be to you all.
Wow.
Wow, I am so full.
So am I. We have a lot to deconstruct from
Yes.
this experience. But first off, let's talk about the food. So you had, well, we both had that soup,
Yeah,
which
the-
was really
really
good. My only thing with it is that you definitely need a drink to wash it down because it is very thick with potato. There was a lot of cabbage, and you could definitely taste it. It was extremely good,
Really
in a
good.
massive size, but you do need a drink to wash it down because it can get a little, you can get stuck in your throat sometimes with it.
Yeah.
But it was still really, really good. And then you had the pie in the sky, correct?
Pie in the sky, yeah. So it's like as we said before, pretty much a chicken pot pie with a salad. And we went into depth with that inside. If you didn't hear it, it was very, very delicious, very wholesome meal, very filling. Would recommend.
And then I had the bangers and mash, which
And, I tried some of it.
you don't even like potatoes
so
and you like that.
good. I don't like potatoes at all. Mashed potatoes are not my thing, but dang, I would eat that all day long. So good, so homey. Everything here is like you could go home to grandma's house and eat it and just be just fine. It's like,
Yeah.
oh,
it
taste
was
of
amazing.
home.
We decided not to get dessert because we are so full, and we wouldn't do the dessert justice.
Yeah. But they looked delicious.
They looked
if you're
really, really good.
interested, I think anything you got on that menu
Yeah.
would be so good.
It looked really, really good. All right. Food. Check.
Check.
Now, atmosphere. As we were saying before, it definitely feels like a local pub that you would run into in the UK.
Oh yeah.
Or
It does not feel like Orlando, Florida at all.
You
The
forget
only-
you're at Disney.
Yeah. The only downside, it's pretty dark. As you could see from us filming in there, like we were close to the stage, so we had that external lighting. But it is a very dark, ominous atmosphere. But that just adds
but
to all of
that's
it.
also pubs.
Yeah,
in
that's
the UK.
it.
Like that,
Yeah.
that's what a
So
pub
that's
is like.
the-
Lastly, the entertainment.
So stinking great. You can even hear this in the background right now. Like,
Yeah.
it's calming. It just puts you in your soul music. That's what I had to say.
I love Irish music. I love folk music in that sense. It's very relaxing. And my sister was an Irish dancer growing up, so I really enjoy Irish dancing.
Yeah, so
and
much
especially
energy
that.
in all of it.
Can we give a shout out to those dancers though?
Yeah. They
Holy crap! They are good.
dance. They are great.
And the band too was amazing. So
Yeah.
they have the Irish dancers are here nightly. They are here every single day. I believe they only go till 10 o'clock though. The restaurant is open
Till 11.
Till 11. So the Irish dancers I believe stop at 10, but I think the live music goes until 11.
Yeah. And there's different bands that come in as the night goes on.
Yeah,
So the
each night they have a
influences will
different
interchange.
house band, but it's
yeah.
it was really really good. It's phenomenal.
so
In
good.
my opinion, if you want to see Disney theming in a restaurant, that Disney difference in a restaurant and
Without going into a theme park.
without going into the theme park, check out Raglan Road. I don't say this often, but I feel like this is a stop that you need to check out.
Yeah,
during your
we wanted to
vacation.
give this place a 10 in food and everything, but we just don't do that because
I can't.
We can't.
Because
But it's up there with like one of my favorite restaurants at Disney Springs. If
Yeah.
not the.
yeah, I think this is my favorite restaurant at Disney Springs, and that's saying something.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's so
I
good.
absolutely love it. So, final ratings.
9, 9.5.
I'm gonna go with a solid 9. And that's from consistency, because I've eaten here 3 or 4 times as well. And the bangers and mash was my favorite thing to get. And it's just as good every
If not better
single
every
time.
single time. I know you told me during the dinner, you're like, this is the best I've had, and I've had this like 3 other times.
Yeah, and that was hard to
saying
beat.
something.
Like, it was really, really good. So
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed that meal. Another thing, dining plan. You can use the dining plan here. It's a 1 table service credit. So if you have the chance and you have a Disney Springs day, or you're over at Disney Springs for the
You're
night,
trying to use that last
And you're trying
credit
to use
somewhere
those
before
credits?
you have to take a flight.
use it here. It is definitely worth the 1 table service credit. I think that's a steal,
Oh,
especially for that
For
entertainment.
1 table service,
I could
go
see
for it.
I could see them bumping this up to a 2 table service credit, and they would just be just as good, because
It'd
that
be just as
entertainment
worth it too.
that entertainment is prime.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
also kind of difficult to get a reservation sometimes. This place does get very busy very quickly. Come check out Raglan Road.
Yeah,
You
do
will enjoy it. But no, I think we're going to leave it there for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff down below. Ooh, almost forgot.
Oh gosh.
Huge shout out to Destination Storm. Go subscribe to them. They gave us a huge shout out on
On their live
live
video,
stream.
they were doing a live stream of the Irish dancing, and they noticed us filming, and they came up to us, and we can't thank them enough.
No, we can't thank them enough. You guys put us over 100 subscribers now, which
Yeah.
is huge for
Which
us.
is amazing.
So we cannot thank you enough. It's been a lot of hard work, and it's been a lot of fun. It's been a fun journey, and we
So-
can't wait to see where this goes
Yeah.
from here on out. But no, thank you, Destination Storm. Go ahead and check out their channel as well. Their information's down below. But no, I think we're gonna leave it there for today.
Oh yeah.
So-
we're stuffed.
Yeah,
We're
we're
ready to
stuffed.
go home.
Yeah. So, thank you. We will catch you on the flip side, and we will see you next time on
The EAZ.